the New Year workshop. We just did the end of year yesterday was Sunday, yeah. And the New Year workshop will be on the 14th of January. And there were two parts in that workshop. The first part is we're going to make a physical vision board for your 2024, a physical one. It's going to be fun, and you're going to pick your own picture and stuff. You will make your own. And then the second part is more importantly how to really make it real. It's on the techniques of manifestation, because we know that a lot of people, they have, oh, New Year, I'm going to have this New Year resolution. I want to do this. I want to blah blah blah. But in reality, the New Year resolution actually lasts for 6 days. The scientists already had
If you're lucky.
yeah,
Right?
yeah, exactly. But there is a reason why it's not working, and then there's a reason why you're not getting what you want. You're not getting what, oh, I'm trying so much about manifestation, about visualization, but there are techniques that you're not paying attention. Sometimes it could be your belief, like deep inside you somewhere, you don't even believe you can get there. And of course, you cannot get there. And there could be, sometimes it could be the misalignment in your bodies, your physical body, emotional body, and your mind, your spiritual body. And that's why we want to teach you a few really solid techniques about how to really manifest and why it didn't work before. I also, at the beginning, a long time ago, when I started this, I also thought, oh, all you need to do is just, you read the book Secret, all you need to do is to put the picture there. I have the picture, look, it's on my wall. I'm still not having it. Why? Yeah, it's not that simple. And there's a belief system. There's a lot of factors in there, and a lot is inside you. And we also will do some exercise to like physically anchor in that feeling of I'm having it, I'm getting it. And there will be exercises to practice like timeline. It's another aspect of your unconscious mind. In our unconscious mind, we have a space that we put things, like things we like, things we don't like, things we think it's wrong, things we think it's, we have our own space arrangement, and there are things like I've already forgotten, and there are things that's never going to happen. So a lot of times, without knowing it, we actually put our dream into the things that's never going to happen. And that's why it's never going to happen. And there are things we know it is going to happen, usually bad things. We like to put it in, it is going to happen, when we are worried. And so, yeah, and I'm going to give you some techniques how to shift this and move things in your space. So anyway, that's going to be a very interesting workshop. If you're interested, it's on the 14th of January. Okay, it's a 4-hour workshop. There will be a lot of paired work, also group exercise.